Hello friends, welcome back to Music Keys. I'm Rajesh here, your musical keyboard teacher. In our last video, we discussed how to find the musical alphabets and how to play C major scale on the instrument. No end to that, you have to keep on practicing. The many times you play, the better it gets. Today, I'll be giving you 5 simple exercises to play on the musical keyboard. These exercises will not only improve your finger movement, but also gives you familiarity of the keys on the musical keyboard. More importantly, it is not the keys, it is not the fingers, it is the sound what you hear that is important. It gives you sound knowledge how the musical notes sound. The exercises are so arranged in a different manner. By the time you complete the 5th exercise, you'll be more confident of C major scale. Let's start to play the exercises on the musical keyboard now. Now you see the first exercise on the display. Which scale are you playing? It is nothing but C major scale. It's clearly mentioned on the lesson. Now hear me, I'll sing the musical notes now. Sa re ga ma, sa re ga ma, sa re ga ma, pa dha ni sa, sa ni dha pa, sa ni dha pa, sa ni dha pa, ma ga re sa. Very easy to play on the instrument. Let's see how to play that on the musical keyboard now. Now notice, let half of your thumb be on the key. Let all your fingers be touching the key like that. Now we play the first exercise. Now try to follow me. I'll sing the notes. I'll play very slowly once again. Sa re ga ma, sa re ga ma, sa re ga ma, pa dha ni sa, sa ni dha pa, sa ni dha pa, sa ni dha pa, ma ga re sa. Play as slow as possible. Now we come to the second exercise. Very simple, easy to understand. Hear me now. Sa re ga ma pa pa, sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa, sa ni dha pa, ma sa ni dha pa, ma ga re sa. Now let's see on the instrument. Now we play the second exercise. Very simple. Watch. I'll sing the notes and play. Sa re ga ma pa pa. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. Sa ni da pa ma ma. Sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. As slow as possible, very easy to play. Now we come to the third exercise. Very simple again, easy to play. Hear me now. Sa re ga ma pa ma ga re. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. Sa ni dha pa ma pa dha ni. Sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. Very easy to play on the instrument. Let's see how now. Now we start the third exercise. Again very simple. Concentrate on the notes. I'll sing the notes now. Re ga ma pa ma ga re. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. Sa ni dha pa ma pa dha ni. Sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. Keep up practice. Very easy to play again. Now we come to an exercise called as jumping notes. Why jumping notes? We jump notes here. Hear me now. Sa ga re ma ga pa ma dha. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. Sa dha ni pa ma dha pa ga. Sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. Very easy to play. A little concentration required. We'll see how to play now. Now we come to jumping notes 1. Watch. I'll sing the notes now. Sa ga re ma ga pa ma dha. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. Sa dha ni pa ma dha pa ga. Sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. Very easy to play. Put your hands together, you can play. Now we play one more jumping notes, but here you are adding one high pitched note and one low pitched note. Hear me now. Sa ga re ma ga pa ma dha pa ni. Da sa ni sa dha ni pa dha ma pa ga ma re ga sa re ni sa. Let's see how to do that on the instrument now. Now we come to jumping notes 2. Here we add a high pitch note and a low pitch note. Watch. I'll sing. Sa ga re ma ga pa ma dha pa ni dha sa ni re sa sa dha ni pa dha ma pa ga ma re ga sa re ni sa. Today we learned some simple basic exercises for finger strength and getting familiarity of C major scale. Try to play very slowly on a uniform speed. Try to sing the notes and play so that you understand the scale better. Subscribe my channel for all updates on my upcoming videos. Thank you very much.